Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. First looks. A new PowerPoint presentation will have one slide. This is called a title slide. The title slide has two placeholders, both of which can contain text. Click in the placeholder and add a title for the presentation. Click away from the placeholder to see the result. If a placeholder is not needed, click on the border and press the Delete key. To add new slides to the presentation, click on the New Slide button on the Home tab. Add another new slide. To select a slide, click on the slide in the navigation pane. This slide contains a content placeholder. Content placeholders can either hold text or tables, charts, a smart art graphic, a picture, clip art, or an audio or video clip. We're going to add a picture. Click on the picture icon. Select the picture and click on Insert. The picture can be resized and it can be moved to a different position. There are also picture formatting tools. Click away from the picture. The way that the placeholders appear on the slide is the layout. To change the layout of a slide, use the Layout button. Select a different layout. The picture will automatically be placed in one of the placeholders and something else can be added in the other placeholder. To give an overall look to a presentation, a theme, click on the Design tab. Select one of the themes. They can be previewed by hovering the mouse. Notice that all the slides will have the same theme. We can choose to hide the background graphics on a particular slide, but in this case there are no background graphics, so let's try something that does have a background graphic. We can also change the background styles to a different color or a different look.